How to find LinkedIn Learning promo code. First of all, let's navigate and open a web browser that you use for searching. Once you are in, use the search bar to find the LinkedIn Learning promo code. Once you get the search results, find a website that provides best deals on LinkedIn Learning. Once you find the website, click on the URL to open the website. Now here you will find different deals and offers that provide discount. So select the offer that you find best and a pop-up will appear on the screen with promo code. Copy this promo code and then tap on the shop to open LinkedIn Learning website or open mobile app or subscription. Log into your account or create a new one if you don't have, and when you are going to purchase a plan, apply the copied promo code for discount on total amount. And that's it. This is how you can find LinkedIn Learning promo code. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.